This is the electric Mustang by Charge. Cutting-edge technology, zero emissions, now with heart and soul. We truly believe we have created something unique in the EV world. A brand new, hand-built design icon that gives our customers a genuine emotional connection with their car. We believe in an emission-free future, redefining design icons, giving them ultimate performance with our in-house lightweight composite panels and EV technology. It's an exciting time to push the boundaries of the automotive industry. Electric Mustang is based on the '67 Fastback, one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time. We have assembled a hand-picked team of industry specialists with a deep understanding of how to deliver a luxury automotive experience, combining a state-of-the-art electric powertrain, a fully connected user interface, and driver environment. We encourage all our customers to personalize their cars, to express their creativity and personality in the colors, materials, and details they choose. This is not a restored, electrified classic car. It's a brand new electric Mustang, completely redefined. We've respected the iconic silhouette and the classic lines of the '67, but we've given the car a fresh, contemporary feel by streamlining features and minimizing panels. The electric Mustang by Charge is now a legend reborn.